Should you like your own video? Does it help the algorithm, or does it make you look desperate? Today we are uncovering the truth. Stick around to the end of this video for a good hack at the end you don't want to miss. See you. Why like your video? All right, you liking your video is telling YouTube that this video is of good quality. This video is driving engagement. With that, the YouTube algorithm gets notice of this and is going to recommend your videos. Liking your videos go a long way to push your videos, especially in the first few hours of publishing. So do well to inculcate this when uploading your videos. Someone might ask, does liking my video really matters? Of course it does. Every thumbs up on your video matters because YouTube count on every thumbs up that is on your video to push your video out there. So your own is as valuable as any other thumbs up, and doing that is going to go a long way in boosting your video in the first hours. And do not look down on that. All right, so let me bust a myth right here. Some people say that liking your own video can get you penalized. There is no such thing. You're not going to get penalized for liking your own video. It's rather boost your video in the long run. Why would you not be the first to like your videos? I would like to know why. Please, if you're not liking your videos, please do. Because if you that you are creating the video is not interested, and you don't find it likable, you don't find it giving value, then please, I don't know what you are doing. Please like your video. If you don't appreciate what you are doing, how can you export it? I am encouraging you today to be the first to like your video, because even in life, whatever you are good at, you export because you believe in it. So as you believe in your video, hit that like button. Like, there is nothing else to do. Let's talk about the mindset of supporting your own work. Like, everyone who does everything or anything know that it is good, so they bring it out. So if you are posting a video and you don't find it valuable enough to like, why should others? So please do hit the like button after you have published a video, and pin a comment asking viewers to also like the video if they enjoyed it. Some of the best practice that I am encouraging you to do is to post short or make a post of your videos to bring traffic to your channel and let your viewers like and subscribe your videos. This is going to boost your channel in the long run. And the bonus tip, additional bonus tip, is do not forget adding it to a playlist. Okay, so thank you for making it to the end of this video. All right, so don't forget, be your own biggest fan. I am my own biggest fan. I just believe that whatever I'm doing is the best, is the perfect thing that I need to be doing. So I do not look down on that. And remember that you hitting the like button and sending your videos out there is going to go a long way for YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos to people, and for them to know that there is some exciting content in your video. So there you have it. Liking your videos add a lot of advantages to boosting your videos. So I'll see you another time in a next video. Till then, go.